Hey guys, so today is going to be a tutorial about how to create a contact form using Divi Builder. Before we jump into the video, I have a quick announcement. Every day we have clients that feel like the world is moving too fast. They don't have time to learn all the new technologies and they are afraid that their business is going to be left behind. That's why we created a newsletter in which we share the latest web design trends, some valuable marketing tips, and some tutorials to help you leverage AI for your business growth. If all of this seems interesting to you, you can subscribe for free right now. I'll put a link down below. And now, back to the video. So the first thing we need to do is to create a new page for the contact form. So it's going to be our contact page, and here I'm going to use Divi Builder to build my page. Alright, so here, as usual, you can choose from a pre-made layout, but here, for the sake of the tutorial, I'm gonna build the page from scratch. And here I am, in the Divi interface. So here, what I'm gonna do first is to create my title for the page. So I'm just gonna add a text, which is gonna be get in touch with us. All right, and that's gonna be my title. So I'm gonna set this as a H1 and know a little bit of design. Again, I'm gonna use Poppins for my font, and I'm gonna make it bold. I don't remember how I use the titles, but it doesn't matter. So I'm gonna make it bold and 64 pixels. All right, and make it centered. All right. Now for the part that's more interesting, I'm gonna add a new row, and here I'm gonna add a contact form module. Alright, and here, as you can see, using Divi we already have most of our form built. So what we want to do is, so first of all, to edit the form, you can, if you want, you can add more fields. So here I only have the name, email, and message, but for example, if I wanted to add a phone field, I could simply duplicate that field and add phone field, and the title would be phone, number maybe, all right, and that's it. So, and I could add, then I could add, I don't know, first name and last name, etc. So you do whatever you want. Here I'm gonna stay with those 4 fields, but here I don't really like the layout. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the name field and I'm gonna make it full width. So that's, yeah, so the layout is a bit better. All right, and now let's do quickly the logic of the form. So, by the way, if you want, you can add a title here for the form, like contact form. But here I'm using the title for the page, so it doesn't really matter, but you're right. And here you could have a success message. So here, let's fill that in. So let's say, thank you for your message. We'll get back to you shortly. All right, and submit button, I will have send message. All right, so here you can, if you scroll down to the option of the form, you can write the email address that's going to be used to send you the messages. So here you can write my email at mail, etc., whatever. And here you have a message pattern. So the email you will receive will look like this. So you can create a template for the email you will receive. So for example, you will write someone wrote a message, and here you could do between the percentage sign, you could write the name of the field. So for example, here I have name, so I would be like name, phone, etc. I think you get the thing. Here is just a way to format your the message you will receive. All right, now let's design a little bit that form so that it looks better. So first of all, let's change a little bit our fields here. So maybe I'm just gonna have a white background, but I'm gonna add some shadow on the fields. Up, all right, like this. And then I will have a rounded border, so I will do something like this. Right, maybe, can I, yeah, maybe I'm gonna do more, yeah, something like this, so that the text area is not too rounded. But yeah, alright, that looks pretty good. Actually, maybe the box shadow is a bit too strong here, so I'm gonna change the value. Yeah, maybe like this. And maybe here I can do negative value. Oh, no, it doesn't look very good. Maybe I can put it to 0. Yeah, right. Or actually, maybe 2 pixels was alright. Yeah, so I can just change this. Alright, so here I have my form with my value. And yeah, so as usual, you can style this as much as you want. I'm not gonna go too far here, but I'm just gonna change the button, yeah, here. So here, use custom style for the button. The text is gonna be black. The background is gonna be yellow. And I'm gonna remove first I'm gonna make a rounded button, and I'm gonna make it capital, and I'm gonna remove the border. If I can find the border, border, yeah, border 0. Okay, and maybe I'm gonna make the title bold and using pop-ins. Yeah, all right. All right, so yes, that's pretty much how you style your form. Once you are done, don't forget to test it. So you can simply, save your form. Yeah, actually, I could do a bit better here, but you could save your form. Try to fill in the value, name, email, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, and hello form. And here I have the, oh yeah, by the way, I will show you right after. Here I have to fill in the CAPTCHA, so 14, and here I can send a message. So 2 things here. I'm gonna go back to the visual builder. So here I think I just copied the phone number, but I said it was supposed to be an email address. So the form is gonna expect an email here. But actually it's not an email because it's a phone. So I'm just gonna leave it as an input field. All right, and so now I can have it normal. And one more thing, yeah, so here I left the basic spam protection, but if you want, you can use custom CAPTCHA provider like Google reCAPTCHA or Cloudflare Turnstile. So here you can select and set up the CAPTCHA here. I'm not gonna do it now, but it's also an option. For now, I'm just gonna use the basic CAPTCHA, which is fine as well. It's also good. All right, so that's it for the form, and of course you can always go more in depth into the styling and everything, but that's very easy, as you can see, to create your contact page using Divi. Okay, so that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you want more content like this one. And in the meantime, I wish you a very good day and see you in the next one.